Let me tell you, this is literally an explosion of flavor in your mouth. This is a Cajun honey butter baked salmon that is out of this world. You gotta give it a try. Let's whip it up. The very first step, we gotta get that butter going. I got about 4 tablespoons of some unsalted butter. We're dropping in a little bit of minced garlic, that Cajun seasoning blend, and a little bit of parsley as well as that honey. Of course, our butter is at room temperature, so we're able to kind of stir it up and get that beautiful consistency that you see on the screen right here. Moving on to our salmon. This is like a little bit under 2 pounds of some skinless salmon. We're gonna go ahead and hit that salmon up with a little bit of oil on both sides, and you know we gotta season it up oh so proper. Guys, do not worry, all the ingredients will be down in the description box as well as the comments for you to reference to. So like I was saying, make sure your salmon is well coated up in this Cajun seasoning right here, and go ahead and do your boy a favor, hit me with a like on the video. Go ahead and smash that button so YouTube knows you're loving the content. Next, we're gonna transfer our salmon into a baking pan, and we're gonna hit it with some dollops of that delicious honey Cajun butter over the top. We're gonna drop in a few lemon slices, and we're gonna toss this in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Okay, go ahead and load it into your oven, and once it comes out, it should be looking just as beautiful as mine is on your screen right here. Come on now, this is a masterpiece. Absolutely beautiful, tastes just as amazing as it looks. You definitely got to give it a go. Plate up, bust down. This was a 10 out of 10. Goes perfect with maybe some rice, some veggies, even some mashed potatoes, some grits. The options are endless when it comes to pairings for this dish right here. Thank you all for watching. I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.